Are you ready to take your blog to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned blogger, there's always room to grow and shine in the blogging world. From boosting your SEO to mastering content creation, expert advice can make the difference between blogging as a hobby and turning it into a thriving business. Let's dive into the expert tips that will elevate your blogging game. Ready? Here we go. Publishing 10 mediocre posts won't get you as far as one well-researched, high-quality article. Take the time to craft valuable, shareable content your readers will love. Who's reading your blog? Dive deep into your audience's interests, needs, and challenges. This helps you write content that truly connects. Search engines are the gateway to your blog. Use the right keywords, optimize your headlines, and don't forget those meta descriptions. Set a posting schedule and stick to it. Your audience and search engines love consistency. Connect with your readers and fellow bloggers. Respond to comments, join communities, and collaborate. Blogging is as much about relationships as it is about writing. Implement these tips and watch your blog transform from ordinary to extraordinary. The journey to blogging success starts with one step, and you've got this. Need more advice and strategies? Check out the full article at dailynetblog.com and take the next step in your blogging journey today. Thanks for watching. Ready to take your blogging journey even further? Click on one of these videos for more expert tips and strategies. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on new content. Let's grow your blog together. See you in the next video.